Polytunnels is a family business. We have been designing and manufacturing polytunnels for over 40 years. We initially took a risk on the first bed laser with HSG. It was one of the early machines into the country, but we found their quality to be very high, and hence we've bought the tube laser from them afterwards. The machine has saved drilling operations, etc. We're actually producing materials a lot quicker, and we can make complicated parts that save time further in the production line.